This round is called Sip and Spill.
Sip and spill.
spill.
Or is
Okay.
it sip or spill?
Sip and Spill because whoever takes the cards,
हाँ
आपको वो बोलना नहीं चाहता होगा आंसर तो उसको करना ही है. ठीक है. And then this answer can make tomorrow's headlines.
I don't want any headline. Listen, I don't need to make headlines. Now
Yeah.
headlines are bought.
Yeah.
Everything is fake.
No, but this
I have
can
to
be a
pay.
real.
If
Yeah,
I pay, I'll get headlines.
but tomorrow can be a real headline.
क्या
Or
फर्क पड़ता है?
let's start it. You need
So I
to
have
pick
to-
one.
Okay, pick. Okay. Firstly, I love the name. Honestly, why
not?
If you had to block one person from your life, who would it be?
Yeah.
Wow.
Of course, there are so many persons, but you can name one.
If I have blocked many people,
Yeah, but one you can name it.
I will block my teacher from school who used to
Wow,
bully
wow,
me.
wow.
I would block her. I was bullied by my teachers, you know that, not by other students.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but let's do a tricky question. Recent
One
में दो तीन
second.
साल.
हो गया ये question. अभी next.
Okay, let's go to the next question.
You also have to pick.
Yeah,
हाँ.
but let's see after finishing.
One actor you've loved to work with and why? Come on. Do I need to even answer this?
Yeah, with whom?
Shah Rukh Khan.
But you have already worked.
Yeah. So it
Yes,
says
sir.
one actor you have loved to work with. You would. I think this
Yeah,
means
you would,
You
with the
would love to
future.
work with. Who would I love to work with? Yeah, honestly, I would say I would love to work with Shah Rukh again because
Again,
मुझे बिल्कुल
okay.
chance नहीं मिला अच्छे से, you know, थोड़ी prep मैं भी करूँ, थोड़ा एक full fledged character हो, and I've done an ad with him, and I did Jawan with him.
Okay.
Both times na I was like a student. Not even like a student, I was like the 10-year-old who was his fan. So I want to be on a set जहाँ पे मेरा इतना prep हो that I can go like an actor, like a co-actor with full confidence.
So you wanted to like romance the king of romance.
Whatever. I mean, I don't know if he is into that because
Okay.
वो जब मिले थे तो उन्होंने कहा था कि King मतलब you know I don't want to give any spoilers but you know he told us a little about King so he definitely is like he is going towards another realm of his career so whatever fits there
He goes there.
I can be his caretaker like a young caretaker who's protecting the king of romance.
Like this. Okay, next.
ये तो मैं नहीं पीऊंगी कुछ ना कुछ जवाब दे ही दूंगी मैं
हाँ. But एक तो पिला ही देंगे ये सवाल हमारे.
Who gives you the best gossip in your circle?
See.
I can give this. It's Ekta Kapoor.
Best gossip.
Yes.
Okay,
Best.
next.
Legit. Will she kill me for saying this?
No, because it's you can tell that sauces I saved.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you pick one.
No, you pick. At least after 5 I can one.
Acha. Okay. Who is the most overhyped Indian actor or actress from 2025?
Yeah.
2020. Give me some names. उसमें से मैं बताती हूँ. Who's overhyped? I don't think anyone's overhyped.
Someone should be there, no? It's not like everyone have worked hard and they have got their names.
Thinking overhyped कौन है? Overhyped. I mean, there were people who were overhyped since 5 years.
कौन है?
So वो इस साल की लिस्ट में नहीं आते ना. Now we all know everything is fake.
But कौन है like overhyped 5 साल में?
नहीं.
You can name that, no?
No.
So
I'll
finally
drink
एक तो
something,
I
yeah.
said no.
I
एक
wish I
सवाल
could
तो
give the
मिल ही
name.
जाएगा.
But I think without giving the name, people know. People have names in their mind. Guys, write in the comment who you think is overhyped from 2025.
You get a lot of names.
And then from my side, this team is going to like the one that
And we'll put a story.
don't
here.
even put anything. This is vinegar.
Yeah.
Oh, is this apple cider? No, it's
Yeah.
not apple cider.
No. Because
It's normal white vinegar.
Yeah.
Guys, are you really making me drink this?
Yeah, because you did not answer, no? While you know also. You just passed it.
I can't. You tell me one overhyped actor from 2025.
That was your question.
Oh my god.
You can
it's
have
very-
one sip, that's fine. For you, it's like we have made it like for you one sip. दूसरे होते तो पूरा ही पिला देते हम.
It's very bad.
Yeah. इसीलिए बोलते सच बोलना चाहिए.
सच ही बोला मैंने अब किसी को see I don't like trolling people.
Okay.
सब
Next.
मेहनत कर रहे हैं. Even the most overhyped person
हाँ.
is doing some मेहनत.
ट्रोल होते होते.
One actor who gives terrible on-screen chemistry, like with me or generally?
Generally, if you with you also it's fine, but generally also you can answer who it can be.
God, this is not fair. This is not fair. This is like, see, as an actor, I can't put down other actors.
So then chili sauce.
This is not fair, yaar. This is like
जनरली मतलब यू
done
कैन
this to
सी
myself.
यू कैन हैव अ सजेशन राइट कि इसकी केमिस्ट्री अच्छी नहीं चल रही है ऑन स्क्रीन पे,
Yes,
सो आई
I
डोंट
can.
लाइक इट. या
Okay, okay.
ऑडियंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से तो बोल ही सकते हो.
Okay. Ranbir Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor because they are brother and sisters.
रणबीर कपूर एंड दिस वाज सो बैड आंसर.
I just have to get away from this.
बट टेलीविजन से बोल सकते हो.
टेलीविजन से नहीं यार, everyone's working very hard. मैं नहीं.
कोई तो होगा ना, एक नहीं है कोई,
है तो बहुत.
बट बोलना नहीं
मतलब
चाहते.
it's an endless list. I feel like सब मेहनत कर रहे हैं, so I don't
Let me
wanna.
pick one for you now.
You're picking one for me.
Yeah, for
I thought
you.
you're picking one for yourself.
Okay. Have you ever taken a role just for money?
Oh, what did I tell you?
Yeah.
I never act. I don't want to do a single acting job for money.
Okay.
मैं जब television करती थी, OTT and films now, all three mediums are open to me. But I will prefer to sit at home and sulk and miss being on set than do something that I absolutely don't like and
Okay.
I'm doing just for money.
Okay. Next.
And I thank God for that. Thank you, God. Thank you.
Who is the one co-star who pretends to be sweet but is the biggest red flag?
No. All my co-actors are sweet. Wait.
There should be someone, of course.
ओके. वरुण सोपती बहुत स्वीट है, शाहरुख खान बहुत स्वीट है, विक्रांत मैसी बहुत स्वीट है, और कौन टीवी से मेरे को-स्टार्स थे, विशाल रहेजा was very sweet.
Who is not sweet? Mention
That's what
that.
I'm trying to think, na. Then my ex-husband was definitely sweet. He was my husband at one point. Actually, okay, I'll be honest. Please let me. I'm going to be honest. मैं नहीं करती उन प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम जहां मुझे ऐसे लगे कि somebody is not interested in having me around. तो मतलब I don't know if this sounds very preachy, but it's true, you know. अगर the producer and the director they are excited to have me, then the actors will be very excited to have me around.
Yeah.
But if मुझे प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर से ही एक वाइब नहीं मिलती दैट दे वांट मी ऑन सेट और दे आर एक्साइटेड अबाउट मी, देन ऑफ कोर्स एवरीबडी विल आल्सो बिहेव दैट वे. तो मुझे इसीलिए ये एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन ऑन सेट्स जहाँ मेरी कद्र है, आई वुड से. सो देन पीपल वैल्यू यू, यू नो.
Okay.
सो आई एम सो सॉरी बट आई हैव नॉट हैड दिस बैड एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई नेवर विल. ऐसा काम ही नहीं करना.
Name a project you rejected but later became a hit.
No, I haven't rejected. I have rejected some projects that did not do well.
Okay.
Yeah,
So there is
but-
no project in life which you rejected and that became hit.
No. I take up everything and I get offered. See, I don't do मतलब बहुत सारी मेरे बहुत सारे options गायब हो जाते हैं because मैं objectification नहीं करने देती अपने
Okay.
आप का, you know, as a girl वो मैं उस space में जाती नहीं. तो anyway my options are limited. And then on top of that, if there is, he's not interested. He's like, she's giving such boring, sensible answers.
No.
कुछ मजा ही नहीं आ रहा है
नहीं,
ना.
मजा तो
She's not drinking also.
मजा
anything.
तो आ रहा है बहुत.
No, I haven't. Nothing has become a hit. In fact, I have a very good eye. You know, मैं सच बताऊं आप लोगों को, if you see every project I have done has been very well received because you pick up anything, whether it was
Yeah,
TV.
yeah.
बेशक,
It worked good.
Yeah, they were all well accepted shows. They were not like ये क्या है.
हाँ, ऐसा कोई show नहीं
कोई
था.
भी नहीं था.
All the shows were well accepted. Name one celeb whose breakup drama was far more entertaining than their show.
Far more entertaining than their show or their work or whatever.
Yeah.
Whose breakup drama? इसमें तो कुछ options दे दो. अब ये तो this I don't know.
But this is in the industry. You can check 2 AM reels. तो उसमें तो कुछ ना कुछ तो breakup का आ ही जाता है ना.
I would say Isha and Abhishek because there
was always
it
triangle.
was out there on national
Big Boss.
television. So it was drama like
Yeah.
मतलब
Next
for
level
all
drama.
our eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was interesting.
Okay.
बस.
So name one. We have some more questions from our side.
Oh my God.
So name one actress whom you wish never to see.
What do you mean?
मतलब कभी उसको देखना ही नहीं चाहते. हो सकता है कुछ बुरा किया हो सकता है कुछ बुरा बोला हो, Like if she enters your zone, you just want to walk
Basically, you want me to drink this?
No,
now.
no, no.
That's what you want.
I
You
just
want
want
me
you
to
to-
drink.
out. No. You
पी
already
लेती
had two.
मैं पी लेती
मतलब है कोई नाम, वो lemon है.
हाँ.
है कोई नाम. You don't want it to tell.
Yeah.
You can tell. What's wrong?
Why? Why should I tell? No.
That is lemon.
Cheers to you, girl. Saving your name even though I don't want to see you.
बच गई बेचारी है.
Vinegar and lemon. Oh my god.
You want to have chili also? I can have one more question.
बस यार, बस. Let's go.
ठीक है.
Otherwise I'll throw this on you.
This is
bubbles.
done for sip and spill. Oh, we are left.
अच्छा एक है.
एक नहीं दो
अरे
हैं.
बाप रे.
So have you ever dated someone?
Your friends warned you about. Who was
Who was it?
No. I haven't dated anyone my friends warned me about. मुझे कोई warning नहीं देता. मैं लोगों को warning देती हूँ.
Okay, one power couple.
इनफैक्ट लोग जिसको मैं डेट करने वाली हूँ उसको वार्निंग देंगे कि केयरफुल शी इज गोइंग टू रीड योर माइंड एंड देन शी इज गोइंग टू बिकम सम ज्ञानी एंड यू आर गोइंग टू हैव नो चॉइस बट टू इम्प्रूव एंड बिकम अ बेटर ह्यूमन बीइंग इन लाइफ.
But that's good gyan. That's not a bad gyan.
Yeah, but everyone likes drama, na? Nobody likes.
Because they need
I told
entertainment
you,
from other couples.
People don't like sensible things. That's what I've
Okay,
understood.
one power couple you believe should call it quit.
Camilla and Prince Charles.
We're talking about India.
No, you didn't mention that. Camilla and King Charles. Let's go.
They are about to
I-
quit.
Shit. I ain't drinking.
Okay.
Any.
We don't have still
thing.
anymore. No,
Nothing
you are done.
left.
Okay.
Woohoo!
So that was a good round. Sip and spill. Out of which you had two.
Okay,
Vinegar
great.
and lemon. But okay.